Hello guys, I'm Kevin. Thanks for tuning back into Mersey Scents. Now today I'm going to do a new unboxing for you of a scent I've just received. I've been waiting for this one for a while now. It's gets compared to a very popular scent, but it's a high-end designer price. Well, it might probably niche, to be honest with you, the price it charges. And I've been waiting for this for a while. Also, I've got another little bit of testing I'm doing on this hand, and if you want to know what this scent is, and it's absolutely blown me away, it's for Alexandria. Stay tuned till the end and I'll tell you what it is, because I'll have a full review coming up on this one next week when I've given it a bit of testing and things like that. So the scent I'm going to talk about today, I'm going to do a quick unboxing and a full presentation for you, and it's Rochas moustache. Now this gets compared a lot to everyone who's never heard of it. It's a YSL tuxedo, which is, I think, is like about £120, oh yeah, £180 I think it goes for, which is very expensive. Now, a few of the other reviews I've watched and reviews I've read said this is very, very close. So the only problem with this is it's very hard to get hold of. I've waited for a few weeks to get hold of this, and it wasn't in stock, so I've had to wait. But by all accounts, it's going to be worth waiting for. So I'll give you my initial thoughts. Obviously, I can't give you the dry down because I've already got 2 scents on me. I've got one on this hand. I've got my scent of the day on. So I'll do this on a little test strip, or I'll probably put this on my other hand to see how I get on. Right, so let me get my test strips out. Here's my little bag of test strips that I carry around with me, so I'll get one of these out. I should have got this out before, really, but I've been up the wall today. Here we go. Right, so here's the presentation there now. I haven't got a knife on me or anything like that, so I'll have to rip it open because I don't really want to carry a knife around in my car with me for obvious reasons. So there you go, nice box. It's got the Rochas on the top. If you can see, yeah, not really much on the sides. Got the back, which is the same as the front. Yeah, same. The bottom, you've got all your info there. I don't know if you can see it. Anyway, it's got the barcode and all that, so let's give it a little opening. Here we go. I'm really excited to try this, to be honest with you, as well. Wow, look at that for a bottle. That's lovely. That's like a little whiskey. It reminds me of a proper little niche whiskey glass. One of them ones that you get in high-end bars. And I do like a little whiskey myself. So here's the lid. Very solid lid there. Lovely bottle. A little bit of info at the bottom. Don't know if that's zooming in. Sometimes it struggles with this camera. Anyway, you get the gist, don't you? So, yeah, very heavy bottle. It's like a metallic cap. Rochas on the top there. Not much going on, but it's like, as you can see, it's like a dark metallic colour. So that's my presentation. What I'll do, I'll give it a little initial spray and I'll give you the notes. Oh, I'm excited to try this one, to be honest. There we go. Oh yeah, it's nice. Bit of alcohol on the top there. Yeah, you get that mandarin. So the notes are in the top, you get mandarin and pink pepper. The mid, you're getting rose and cedarwood. And on the base, you're getting patchouli and benzoin. Now, I don't really know what benzoin smells like, to be honest, so I'm not going to go into that one too much. Yeah, on the top there, you're getting that mandarin. It is quite peppery, but it's more mandarin to me. You're getting that mandarin. Very bright, very citrusy. Also, it's quite fresh as well, so I didn't expect it to be quite that fresh. I thought it might have been quite heavier and a lot more sweeter, but obviously it's going to transition into the rose and the cedarwood. So yeah, very happy with that. I think that going off this now, this can be an all-round signature scent. I was expecting it to be quite thick, quite heavy, quite sweet, but it's not. It seems quite bright, very bright and fresh. Now that rose, I'm starting to get a little bit of rose now. Obviously it's got to settle. A little bit of rose coming through there. I have tried the clone of inspired version of this by Rosa Salas, and I really enjoyed that. That was called Black Tie. And that was very, very nice. That's how I knew I'd sort of like this one. I'd really enjoy it. That bottle is lovely as well, by the way, the weight of it. Very, very, very heavy and very, very durable. Just don't drop it. That's what you got to watch. Yeah, so my initial thoughts on this are very, very good. Just do a quick little unboxing for you, and I've got another couple of little testings to do over the weekend of other fragrances I've received, so I'll do that, and then once I'm through them, I'll start wearing this the beginning of next week, and by the end of next week I'll probably have a decent, good, like, full review on it of the wearings I've had, because it's only fair that I give it a couple of wearings and I get my longevity, see how it works on my skin. I don't just want to spray it on my hand, go, yeah, that's great, go and buy it. Yeah, that's getting even better. That's getting, as that's transitioning and settling down, that's getting even nicer. It's quite sharp, fresh and bright off the start with the citrus. Now it's getting a little bit sweet. Oh yeah, that's really nice. That I'm very impressed with this up to now. Yeah, rose. Do you know what as well? I'm really starting to, few fragrances I've started using over the last few weeks. I've had rose, and I'm really starting to like the rose note, especially when I've got a one with a bit of oud, and it's really nice. I'm usually into tobacco. If you look at my 3 favourite notes on me, the video done, I'll leave the link for you. It's like, I'm usually into the masculine, but I'm starting to really appreciate rose. So yeah, my first impressions of this one are very good. Now on this one, and I've been doing a little bit of testing of that Alexandria fragrance, and to say I'm blown away with this is an understatement. It's absolutely unbelievable. I can't, it smells like, I'll give you a little clue before I do my video. This one I've got on my hand, it's Hafez 1984, and it's their original formulation of Alexandria. You can't get it nowhere else. It's their own brand, it's their own fragrance. And this smells, I'll tell you, this smells like a high-end niche, very, very popular fragrance that everyone talks about in the fragrance industry, but it's very expensive and quite hard to get hold of. That's the clues I'll give you. I'll reveal all on my YouTube channel. So yeah, that was just a quick unboxing for me, and I hope you enjoyed it anyway. I'm going to give this a nice little wear. Yeah, it's lovely, that. Very nice. So thanks very much for watching. Don't forget, smell good and you'll feel good, and I'll speak to you soon.